there's not a lot of good resources out there for people trying to figure out this Rumble business, right? So let's make a tutorial. Let's go through some of the basics. Let's do a Rumble 101 and let's talk about making a Rumble account. We'll start there, yeah? Okay, but before we go any further, yes, even before we click like the sign up button, okay? If there is a creator out there that you want to support, if there is someone out there who pointed you to Rumble to begin with, the reason you're making this account right now, be it me or somebody else out there, anybody, then before you make an account, you need to understand the referral program, okay? Rumble has a referral program. It is their lost lead plan to bring people over to Rumble. Now, I don't think that this offer will exist forever. So if you want to support people who are building Rumble from the ground up, building the foundation of this thing, this is the time. So I'm going to explain very, very quickly the Rumble referral program. All right. But I'm not going to ask you to just take me at my word here. I'm going to show you the official Rumble page here. Okay. The actual Rumble FAQ page. You can search referral. You can check this for yourself. See if this changes. Leave your comments down below. Say, hey, this is gone now and you need to update your video. Fine. I will update the video. Let me know. A 5% commission. Whatever ad revenue you ever generate as a creator. Yes, you're like, I'm not a creator. If ever you became one, however, okay. If you generate any ad revenue, they calculate 5% of that. And then they give 5%, whatever the equivalent of 5% of your earnings are, as a bonus to whomever's referral link you used when you sign up to Rumble, okay, when you first made your account. So if that's me, if you're using my creator tag on this, the Godfather Gus, all one word, if you put that in there, okay, and then you go on to make content on Rumble, okay, and you made $100 in ad revenue, I get $5 as a bonus to me for being the one that brought you over to Rumble in the first place. That's how it works. It doesn't take, I clarified on this, okay? It does not take $5 from you. It does not take any of your earnings and pass it on. It is a bonus. You make your full $100 and I make a bonus of 5% of that. Rumble just eats that 5% as a way of saying thank you to me, the person who referred you to Rumble. I can't imagine that this program will exist forever, especially as Rumble grows. So if you want to get in and support creators that you appreciate now, use the referral link for the creator when you sign up for the account. There's, as of now, no way to go back and reattribute an account, okay? Now that's how the Rumble referral program works. Now let's go see what that looks like in action here. If you want to support me and you found all this to be helpful, go ahead, toss me there. Anyways, that's what it will look like. Rumble is busy making changes to the platform and all this stuff, but some of their literature can be confusing. This is in part why I'm doing these tutorial videos, to make it clear. Because if you do go back to their official FAQs page, you'd be forgiven for thinking that down here, this link is what you would use to include a referral for someone. But no, this link takes you to your dashboard page, which I've explained in a different video, the walkthrough of what everything does everywhere. Look for that. This link takes you to your dashboard for your referrals. So all the people who've used your name as a referral. Nowhere is it properly described on this page what format that referral is supposed to take on. So that's the referral link up there. You hit enter, send, and it will take you to the account creation page, which will look identical to the regular sign up as if you were not using a referral at all. How you know you're in the right place at this point before you continue is look up in the URL again. Okay, there's my name. Whatever creator you use for the referral link, that will indicate that you're in the right place. If you really want to, you can ask the creator, hey, did my name show up on your referrals page? I want to make sure you get credit. There you go. Unique thing about Rumble. Okay, now on to the actual nuts and bolts of making an account. So you make your way on over to Rumble, click sign up. You need an email. I just made one for this. Let's go with my new test email and username. Oh, and it's worth saying here, the username. Okay, according to Rumble's official literature right now, once you make that username, it cannot be changed. That includes capitalization, spelling, whatever. Okay, so that, as of now, it says. So that implies that at some point you will be able to change your username, but for right now, it can't be changed. So make sure you're happy with your name, okay? Okay, consider yourselves warned. I did my part. Okay, it states, read the actual terms and conditions. I'm not a lawyer. I can't advise you on this, but hey, do you? Okay, next. Now make a password. Something strong, firm. Next. Okay, they're gonna email the code. So go check my email, refresh my inbox. There we go. Our Rumble code. Hooray. Paste our Rumble code. Next. Huzzah! We've made an account successfully. Look at us, we've done it. Okay, now, same as Twitch, same as anywhere, you can use this exact same account to be a broadcaster, or you can just use it as a viewer. So, however you want to use it, this is where it'll default you to. What we're going to do first is go to account settings. Now, profile picture down below here. Let's get a profile picture going. I don't know what we should use, but let's try. Ooh, you know what? Let's do a screenshot of me right now, as is in this little corner. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's a good picture right there. Okay, we're gonna save that picture. Okay, we've got our picture. And look at that. Okay, we check mark. Very excited. Looking good, looking good. We don't need anything else for now. In fact, we don't even need the profile picture. But just for fun, I want the profile picture. You don't have to if you don't want to. But there you go. That's it. Now you're all set. If now I just want to go start seeing stuff on Rumble, I want to go start using Rumble. I'm going to go to the Rumble homepage. It's going to immediately try to get me oriented with content that I like. So right click on this, we go to the Rumble homepage, and you will be immediately greeted. Welcome to Rumble. Let's figure out what content you're into. Find your interests. Huzzah! Gaming. Well, you got to check 3. Let's do music, and let's do entertainment. Broad categories here, really broad categories. So let's just click those things and click next. Creators you may like. So, okay, we've got some suggested streamers here. I don't know by what qualification they choose these people, but I'm not on there, so you know I'm offended or something. And now I gotta choose at least one creator here to get started with. So let's go with Stone, because I know Stone clicks on pixels with the best of them. So we click done, and voila, my feed, and it's just Stone Mountain. So this is the very beginning of my adventure on Rumble. Hooray, whatever. And now I can see over down here on the side who I'm following. And right now it'll have this little red circle around it to indicate that they are live. So I can click on Stone down here, and it'll take you right to his current live stream. You can see the little indicator right here saying that he is indeed live. Okay, and that's it. That's all you need. You don't need anything else. You don't need to customize anything. You don't need any profile pictures or account information. You don't need anything else beyond verifying the email that you already did and making a password. Voila. You can now jump in with your favorite creators. You can participate in chat. You can do all that stuff. That's it. That's the bare bones. Now, we are going to go through all the rest of the account information for those who are interested in customization. You actually do want to change things for your customizing your own user experience. We're going to do that too. But if all you wanted to do is create an account so you can watch someone and engage with chat and follow them, you've done it. That's it. Good job. Pat yourself on the back.